Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your Bybit account. Firstly, let's go over to Apple Store or Play Store. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So over here is Apple Store. You have to go over to the search area and you have to type in Bybit. You can see it over here and look at Bybit. So let me go over to it. You're going to see updates here. So we are going to update the Bybit account. So you have to press the update and it's loading. It won't take some time, just a few seconds or a minute. Your Bybit will be updated and you can see it's loading here. So Bybit, you upgrading your Bybit is going to bring new features to your phone. It's going to bring new feature and here it's done updating. When you are done, updating it, you just have to go over to your Binance and you have to open it. And yeah, my Binance account have been updated. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Love you.